I was considering getting custom sleeves for my AIO liquid cooler. It would make my personal build look a little bit cleaner with white tubing, but I personally prefer a black and white color scheme because it just adds a little bit more contrast than if I just had a purely white build. I think the black/gray graphics card, black motherboard, black tubing, and black radiator look pretty nice in this build. And I don't really want to paint them white just to match everything, then it'll just blind my eyes. And also, Cable Mod's AIO sleeving kit's $20, which I don't really think it's worth it. I guess it would be kind of cool if NZXT made a white AIO. Speaking of NZXT, maybe I should suggest that to them? Let me know. Follow and like right now or else I won't tell NZXT to make a white AIO.